Survival in the wild.
Hi class, it's Miss McMahon here, and today I'm going to introduce you to our new lesson. It's all about wildlife and surviving in the wild. So today we're going to learn about how animals survive in the wild, how people survive in the wild, and even how plants survive in the wild. So, for example, a lot of birds. If you look outside this time of year, you see a lot of birds. But in the fall, lots of birds fly south, and they do that. It's called migration. And they do that because that helps them survive because they can go to a warmer place where they can stay healthy. And it's a better climate for them. Another example is a bear. A bear. So they store food in burrows and they keep extra fat on them so they can migrate. So that's a form of acclimation by keeping their food, and migration because they sleep for the whole winter. Okay, so we're going to learn about lots of stuff in this lesson, and I'll read you some of our objectives for today. Okay, so you guys will be able to explain 3 ways that animals adapt to their environment through hibernation, acclimation, or anything else, and you're going to create your own Google Slides when doing that. Another objective is that you guys will be able to identify the 4 basic elements animals and people need for survival. And you're going to do that on a Google form. And I'll give you one of those examples, and I'm sure you can figure out the rest, and you will figure out the rest in the lesson. People need shelter to survive. Okay? And then our last objective for today is you're going to be able to make a personal connection to the lesson by sharing how you yourself would survive in the wild. And you're going to do that in a Flipgrid video. Okay? Does anybody have any questions or anything? And that's just a big overview. We're going to learn about how to survive in the wild, some different ways you can survive, how animals have survived for decades and years, and all that stuff. Okay?